Yes, there we go. Did I speak a little too soon? Looks like a low load have just rolled up. So, you know, is it time for the spindles to go? And so we're just near the TVR garage, or what used to be the TVR garage. Just a bit of an update on the demolition work here. You can see the majority is now gone. And you just imagine, you know, on these grounds, all those luxury cars would have once worked on and been a part of. Welcome back to a brand new video on this a bit of a miserable wet day. And so we're just near the central pier, and I thought I'd start this video off because it looks like the Odyssey is now going to be going, and you can see there it's all sort of like sort of barricaded off, and there's the Blackpool Council there on the little cranes, and it looks like this one is possibly now being pulled down and probably sort of shipped to its next location. And what a great attraction this was. They had like the music coming out of the steam, it was all sorts, and that was certainly a brilliant one for Blackpool. It looks like possibly now, in fact it is, looks like they were unscrewing all the parts, and this one is now sort of departing for its next home, shall I say, for another year. So let's have a little walk along the promenade. You see all the seaweed. Look at that, masses and masses of seaweed. What gets washed up in the sort of the high tide, and the sea. He's out at the moment. Let's whip the camera around to the left, and you can see it's certainly his house. I think low tide was about sort of 3 o'clock in the morning, if I'm not mistaken. And yeah, it's just nice having a bit of a walk along the seafront. And yeah, it's certainly very quiet this time in the morning. So what we'll do, we'll pop over to the demolition of the courts and the police station a little later on, and just see what progress is. So it's always interesting, that one, just to capture that on camera. And yeah, so it looks like the RNLI, the shutter is up. So it's not training day. Looks like they're probably just doing a bit of maintenance work, possibly on the vehicles. Yeah, what a bit of a miserable day, but at the same time, you know, it's so wonderful just to have a bit of a walk and just see the reflections on the puddles. Certainly great. So I just walk that little further, and you can just see there's not a soul around this time in the morning on the promenade. Not even a dog walker, not even, you know, the odd dog walker. What normally you see, you see the metal detectors and all sorts, but today it's like a very sort of quiet and sort of mysterious sort of feeling about it. It's a bit of a strange one. I know the weather's, like I said, not the best, but you see the spindles, they're still there, so I'd imagine they'll be taken down very soon. It's surprising they haven't gone at the moment, but that's another fantastic attraction. Just look at that tower. Look how lovely it looks in that the white and sort of grey cloud, just shimmering it and covering it. Wonderful. Yes, there we go. Did I speak a little too soon? Looks like a low load have just rolled up. So, you know, is it time for the spindles to go? How odd is that one? You know, just as I was talking about it, you can see a low loader is just pulled up where they are, so that might be on its way down later in today's shall I say. So I think what we'll do, we'll make our way to the Bonnie Street Police Station and Courts, because, you know, the town centre, excuse my umbrella, it's right in the pitch, look at that. I do apologise about that. But yeah, so the town centre itself is very quiet. You see there's no shops, nothing opened up. And like I said, you've certainly got the town to yourself, so to speak. So I'm just waiting till this last car goes over. But yeah, you can see, like I said, there's nothing open. It's certainly a strange feeling. So it's about sort of 9:30 in the morning, and like I said, there's not a soul around. So we're just near the Foxhole Market, and you see the awful amount, a lot of sand, especially when it's wet. It gets all over your clothes. I just see the amount of sand what's along these streets. And again, we come to this lovely house, which is sadly in certainly disrepair. What a shame for that one. And let's just have a quick walk past the famous Chris Higgett's. There's got rocks, souvenirs and toys. See that one? Looks like they're doing a bit of repair work in there. As we walk past Chris Higgett's, the famous pound burger. And he's certainly closed up for the season. And I believe he's been doing a few videos also. So I want to go and have a look at his videos. And yeah, there's the Stanley. So we just made our way just near the demolition site once again for a bit of an update. So we're not going to sort of stay too long, but you can see they're certainly making a little progress now on this one. And you see most of the skips now are completely full up with all the old rubbish, and there's just some little like fencing just on the right hand side. So we'll have a bit of a look closely at this one. So you can see they're in the next sort of phase, shall I say. You see there's an awful lot of people going up them stairs in the high-vis, the demolition team, and it looks like they're moving in where the courts are now. And it looks like it's like a complete rip out. First of all, you can see there's all sorts of things going in. Like I said, it looks like the first section, you can see where there was the other day, that's all now been cleared. So it looks like they're going in, clearing everything, in ready for the sort of the demolition, the main part. So you just see those sort of like sort of fencing. Do you know, I'm lost for words this morning. Like sort of, well, yeah, like sort of fencing. You can just see there's a lot of movement and activity up that side, and there's still people in that old part. So it looks like it's certainly moving on. You don't think it's moving on, but you know there's a lot going on. Looks like he's sort of sticking something. There's a gentleman just in that sort of the third section along. Looks like he's sticking something to the walls. So whether that's like a guideline, you can see they're moving the generators. So there's lots going on. Shall I say, like behind the scenes, what you don't realise. So I'll see if I can take a few pictures, little close-up pictures. Let's just whip the camera around to the right, and you can see there's more of the team just over on the right hand side there. So it looks like they're certainly concentrating on this section first of all. So we're going to leave the demolition site for another day, but like I said, it looks like they're starting on that section just at the top now. And yeah, so like I said, we're going to leave this one for the moment. There's not too much going on, but things are moving along, shall I say, quite nicely. So I hope you enjoyed this a bit of a update, a bit of a morning video in regards to the police station, the demolition. Like I said, the Odysseys looks like they're being taken away. So we will bring you all the latest, probably every probably have a few days in regards to this one. There's no point in filming it each day because not much happens, but you certainly see the progress every other day, shall I say, a few clips. So don't forget, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed. Keep up to date with all the latest videos and what the news in Blackpool. And any comments, I will try to get back to you as soon as I can. And until next time, take care of yourselves, and it is a bye from me. Bye bye.